And it came to be when Abram was 99 years old that Yahuwah appeared to Abram and said to him, I am Yahuwah, walk before me and be perfect, and I give my Bryt between me and you, and shall greatly increase you. And Abram fell on his face, and Yahuwah spoke with them, saying, As for me, look, my Bryt is with you, and you shall become a father of many nations. And no longer is your name called Abram, but your name shall be Abraham, because I shall make you a father of many nations. And I shall make you exceedingly fruitful, and make nations of you, and sovereigns shall come from you. And I shall establish my Bryt between me and you, and your seed after you, and their generations, for an everlasting Bryt, to be ALUAH to you and your seed after you. And I shall give to you and your seed after you the land of your sojournings, all the land of Canaan as an everlasting possession, and I shall be their ALUAH. And Yahuwah said to Abraham, As for you, guard my Bryt, you and your seed after you, throughout the generations. This is my Bryt, which you guard between me and you and your seed after you. Every male child among you is to be circumcised, and you shall circumcise the flesh of your foreskin, and it shall become a sign of the Bryt between me and you. And the son of 8 days is circumcised by you, every male child in your generations, he who is born in your house or bought with silver from any foreigner who is not of your seed. He who is born in your house and he who is bought with your silver has to be circumcised. So shall my Bryt be in your flesh for an everlasting Bryt. And an uncircumcised male child who is not circumcised in the flesh of his foreskin, his life shall be cut off from his people. He has broken my Bryt. And Yahuwah said to Abram, As for Shary your wife, do not call her name Shary, for Sharah is her name. And I shall barak her, and also give you a son by her, and I shall barak her, and she shall become nations, sovereigns of peoples are to be from her. And Abraham fell on his face and laughed, and he said in his heart, Is a child to be born to a man who is 100 years old, or is Sharah, who is 90 years old, to bear a child? And Abraham said to Yahuwah, O let Yashma'al live before you. And Yahuwah said, No, Sarai your wife is truly bearing a son to you, and you shall call his name Yatshaq, and I shall establish my Bryt with them for an everlasting Bryt, and with his seed after him. And as for Yashma'al, I have heard you, and I shall barak him, and shall make him fruitful, and greatly increase him. He is to bring forth 12 princes, and I shall make him a great nation. But my Bryt I establish with Yatshaq, whom Sharah is to bear to you at this time next year. And when he had ended speaking with him, Yahuwah went up from Abraham. And Abraham took Yashma'al his son, and all those born in his house, and all those bought with his silver, every male among the men of Abraham's house, and circumcised the flesh of the foreskins that same day, as Yahuwah told him. And Abraham was 99 years old when he was circumcised in the flesh of his foreskin. And Yashma'al his son was 13 years old when he was circumcised in the flesh of his foreskin. Abraham and his son Yashma'al were circumcised that same day, and all the men of his house, born in the house or bought with silver from a foreigner, were circumcised with them.